Hello guys, so if you want to repost anyone's story on your particular story in Instagram, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly, what you have to do is just simply open your Instagram. Then just simply open a story, let's say this one. Now, in order to repost a story, what you can do is just simply click on the share icon at the bottom right. Then after that, you will have the option to repost the story onto your own story if you're tagged in that particular story. So if you're not tagged in the story, what you can do now? If it is a post, so go into that particular post, click on it and go to view post. Now go to that particular story, then click on the share icon and choose to upload it on your own story. So that's one way. Now if you don't want this way, the last method that you can try is just simply go and record the screen or take a screenshot of the particular story and upload that screenshot as a story. So for doing that, click on the plus icon. Then just simply choose the image from the gallery. Then click on the arrow icon at the top right. Make your post that way. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.